each part of my problem as a step. So the first step, step number 1, I'm going to replace f of x with y. That's a pretty easy step. We kind of like that step, right? Step number 2 is replace the x and the y variable. That's all I said, x and y variable. You're not replacing the whole terms. So step number 2 is now to replace x equals y squared minus 3. So now that I have that, now I have them swapped, now I need to solve for y. So for step 3, we solve for y. So the first thing you guys do whenever you're solving, if you guys remember your inverse operations, you always undo addition and subtraction first. So I have to add a 3 to both sides. So I have x plus 3 equals y squared. Now I need to undo squaring. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Please remember, when you introduce the square root, you have to do plus or minus. Well, square root of y squared is just going to leave us with y equals plus or minus the square root of x plus 3. Then step number 4 is to replace y with f of x. And then I'm just going to write it with it on the left-hand side, if that's OK. So it's going to be f inverse of x equals plus or minus the square root of x plus 3. OK?
So step 3 altogether is solving, right?
Huh? Yep, step 3 is just solving. Anybody have any questions on this? OK.